guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Hey, don't forget, next Sunday is our Hammer Awards. The 3 best products that you could ever use. So versatile, you're going to love them. We've used them for years and they're awesome. We're not being paid a dime to share those 3 products. They are what you should have in your archives. They should be in your toolbox. They will make your life on your vehicle and at home so much easier. So don't forget, next week, Sunday, will be the Golden Hammer Awards, all right? Now, today we're talking about making your motor and vehicle run better and longer. We're finding some great results and we want to share this. This is our PM series, preventive maintenance. So follow along with me and you're going to be glad you did. All right, folks, here we are. As you know, anything that runs on gasoline needs to be protected. You're looking at right around $2,000 worth of equipment. Just these two, the generator, the Generac on the left, and the DeWalt 4400 on your right. Now, let me share with you, a lot of people have found that the ethanol in the gasoline, the 10% in the gasoline, is not doing your small engines any good. Your weed whackers, your rototillers, all of that. And a lot of you use Sta-Bil, be able to put it in the fuel to keep the fuel fresh when you put it into storage. Now you don't have to do that anymore. And that goes for the vehicles that you drive as well. We are finding great results by running the product I'm going to share with you, and we're not being paid a dime to share this product. Our job is to help you protect your equipment, make your vehicles last longer, whether it's the paint or whatever it may be, but it's the tires, the rubber, it doesn't matter. We're here to help you. That's only reason we're here, is to help you have more money in your pocket by making everything you own last longer. Now, let's take a look at this right here. This vehicle has been tested with fuel treated by Ethanol Shield. Why is that? Because smaller engines do not like ethanol. You can read up on it. Now, if you go to Wikipedia, there's some really good stuff in there. Oh, don't forget, next Sunday is our Golden Hammer Awards. You're not going to want to miss that. All right, so anyhow, sorry about that. Now, when it comes to your vehicles, you want to make sure you're running the stuff that I'm going to share with you. We buy it by the case now. You are going to be so impressed by how your vehicle runs, and you no longer have to worry whether the vehicle has been set up to run ethanol or not. This product does not take the ethanol out. You cannot take ethanol out of the fuel that they put into it. But you can sure help the water that the ethanol draws into your gas tank, okay? Let me share with you what we got. We buy this by the case. It is the Sta-Bil 360 protection, ethanol treatment and stabilizer. This does everything. You no longer have to buy the storage Sta-Bil. You just buy this here. 1 ounce treats 5 gallons. This bottle right here will do 50 gallons. Keep it in your car. I promise you, you're going to love the result. I hope this helps you. That's why we're doing this, to help you save money on repairs and having things break down that don't need to break down. For a couple of bucks more, I'm telling you, you will love the results you get in your vehicle and in every piece of power equipment you have. All right, again, we are not being compensated to share this product with you. We just love it and believe that you will love it as well.